Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my 2018 Thor Hurricane 34J, and I'm going to be doing the air filter change in this. So I just got this. This is kind of new to me. I just got this 3 weeks ago. It has 14,000 miles on it. I got it with 12,000 miles. I actually had to drive 2,000 miles cross country to get this. And then I got it home, and I don't really know the service history on the air filter, so I'm going to open up the front here. I'm going to change the air filter. I'm going to show you how easy it is to get this done. So let's get started. First thing you're going to need is a new air filter. This one's the EcoGuard XA5569. I'll leave a link down below. This is you can get this on Amazon for 25 bucks or less, so it's really cheap to do, to change it yourself, and the part is very reasonably priced too. This is usually the same part for most Ford V10s. This has the gas engine in it, so it's going to be in the front here. Now on these, there's these little locking tabs right here. So this is the key that come with the unit that's going to open this up. So if I put the key in here, and then I twist it out, I got to look in there. Yeah, I want to make sure that it's basically just a twisting lock. There's just one on each side. Okay, with the tabs open, now we can pull open the hood here, and this basically just pulls out. And then it is on hydraulic struts here, and it'll lift up like that. Put the hood up, give you just a quick tour of what's under here. Here we have our, down here on the bottom right hand side, this is on the driver's side, is our windshield washer fluid. This box here, this is our air filter box. We have our coolant line there, our battery, and then the other thing you'll access here over on the driver's side, yellow dipstick handle, that is our oil dipstick where we check our oil fill. So let's get in here and check our air filter box. There's just a couple clips here. One clip there, one clip there, one there. All right, let me show you the trick to getting this air box cover off. You can see I've got it off here. See these three little holes in the back of the cover? 1, 2, 3. There's actually a tab. Let's see if we can get a shot here. There's a tab behind here that those flip in. So once you unclip it, you want to lift up a little bit and push it back towards the firewall, and that'll disengage the clip. Then you can pull it up. All right, with that, let's get this out. Okay, here's our old one. There's a little some dark spot here. It's probably just some road dirt and debris. This really isn't that bad of a shape. But I'm going to wipe out the inside of the box, make sure it's clean inside there, and we'll put the new one in. So here's our new one. Here's our old one. This looks like this was a Fram. Oh, this is a Motorcraft. All right, putting the new one in, simple as taking the old one out. You do have to lift this up a little bit. Make sure all the pleats go down inside the box. Make sure that sits nice and snugly. Okay, now to get this cover secured back on, I'm going to push it back a little bit so that it clears those clips, and then pull forward. So it's actually much easier to get it on than it is to take it off. 3 clips. All right, I want to make sure those clips are on, nice and snug and secure. Yeah, and that's good to go. So changing the air filter is simple as that. Now we just bring this back down. And we'll just lock those up, secure the front hood down. Guys, as you can tell, it's a pretty simple process, cheap part, easy to do. I'm going to check it probably every 10,000 miles. That's just kind of how I check my air filters. I think Ford says every 20,000 miles. This one wasn't that dirty, but you know, we'll check it every 10,000 miles and go from there. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thanks.